Hey, what's up? It's Roy here. So today I have the Spigen Mag Armor case with MagFit magnets here for the iPhone 15 Pro. Now this is going to set you back around $19.99 on Amazon. I'll link it down in the description. But taking a peek at it, guys, this is a little bit different looking. Look at that. That looks like kind of like, I don't know, like a toolbox or something, you know, just very rugged looking. Hence Mag Armor, right? Looking at the interior, you can see the MagSafe magnets there, air cushion technology, and the bumpers to help with drop protection and give us that military standard drop protection that we know and love from Spigen. So let's get this bad boy slapped on and let's see how slim and protective it is. So installed, it looks pretty good. I really kind of digging this pattern a little bit. You can't really feel it, but kind of you can. If you kind of rub your finger against it, you can kind of hear that. So yeah, not too bad. Fingerprints aren't going to be an issue. Smudges eventually, I feel like, from the oils from your hands will be an issue with this type of material. You can see there the very poppy Spigen logo there. And then with the camera bump, a little bit of high gloss black inside of it, but more dull matte finish on the exterior of it. But gonna do a good job with protecting those lenses. And then just kind of holding it, just kind of put my fingers on the back here. That is pretty smooth actually. So I don't know how grippy that's gonna be over time, but you know, just something to kind of nitpick about. But looking at the sides here, you can kind of see one that we do have some high gloss that's going up and down the sides, which is kind of cool to give it a little bit more character. The power button is there and raised, and then of course we have some holes there for a lanyard. And then looking at it from here, we do have our USB-C charging ports there with our speaker grill cutouts. And then kind of the same thing on this side, you can see the high gloss around the edges. We do have our volume up and down and action button that are raised as well. And then that's the look from the top down, very slim. Looking at it from this view, you can see the lips around the screen are very nice. So we do get some decent screen protection with this. And that's the look facing the top down. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test here. So putting it face down, we don't have any shaking or wobbling going on. But putting it back down is a little bit of a different story. And that's just kind of the same thing with all these 15 Pro cases. They just shake. So I mean, it is what it is, but just wanted to point that out. And then now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So power button is pretty responsive, very clicky and responsive there. And then the volume up and down buttons, same thing, very clicky, very responsive. And then that action button there, as you can see, toggling back and forth, we are good to go. So let me grab my MagSafe charger here and slap it on. And as you can see there, it is MagSafe charging. So we know that's going to happen, which that's just a no-brainer with it being a MagFit case. The magnets are very, very strong as well. So definitely if you have MagSafe accessories in your vehicle, you're not going to worry about them falling off or having the phone fall off of them, excuse me, because with those built-in magnets, they do a very, very good job and very, very strong. So there we have it, guys. All in all, this is a really nice case. Little different, you know, depending on the light and the angle that you're hitting it at. Like I said, it kind of reminds me of like a toolbox or something like that with this kind of diamond pattern there. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. The sides feel pretty decent grip on the sides, not super matte finish, but it is matte black, but has a little bit of a texture to it. So yeah, I don't have any really complaints. So hit the like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. We'll see you on the next one.